Hi guys, I will show you how you can make cool music videos like this inside FL Studio. Let's get to it. So first, of course, you have to load up your master track to the empty project. And then you want to navigate to the mixer window. Stay on the master mixer channel and tap here from the slot 1. Navigate to the ZGameEditor visualizer. This is an application or a plugin that gives you the ability to create the music videos. But I will show you a quick preview how you can use this. So here are the slots or the effects that you can add, and from here you can choose, for example, the background for your music video. For example, here is a lantern preset, and you can modify it from these knobs here. I don't actually know what this does, but I usually just try them out and see what happens. So you can do some cool stuff from here, like this, and you can actually automate these. But let's see that later. But if you don't want to go these steps like one by one, you can actually go to the presets window and select a pre-made preset and see if you can find a preset that you like. But I like to go to the wizard because in the wizard there's more presets. So click from the wizard, and now you can choose a preset that you like. You can see those little windows here, and you can write the song name here and the artist name here so easily, and you can actually change how the text looks and so on. So there's multiple different options that you can choose from, and when you have chosen the video that you like, you can just click here, continue to render, and save the video. Now click from here the X. It will load up the presets to the first mixer view. So from the mixer window you can control the speed of the video, reverse it and slow it down, and change the shape also. There's different options in different video modes, and you can try the different presets by yourself. For example, take this hue and click create automation clip. Now you can just shorten it. For example, here when the drop starts, you can put the automation to 1 beat, the length of 1 beat, like this. And now you can just draw like this. So when the drop hits, the colors will change. And you can do so much stuff with this video editor that you won't even believe. Just choose a preset, try these knobs one by one, and look what is the best setting that you like, and then automate, for example, this, and then it moves like this when the drop hits, or this moves like this when the drop hits. Or you can actually automate the text also, so the text bounces or something like that. But here's the video. Thank you for watching. I can make a longer video about this video editing stuff. This was just a super quick preview for you guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video or you found it helpful. See you next time.